There's the VIN tag. Painted over the dang VIN tag too. We're taking off the trim pieces right here, okay? And I'm just gonna use just a butter knife to kind of help move it. That's not good for the paint. So if you're just replacing the trim on your car, okay? And you're not trying to screw up your paint, this is not the way to do it. Let's keep going. I know some of you guys are like, oh my God. I know I don't like it either. But I really need to get this done. And I mean, it's not doing massive damage. Now, I did learn something though, because I've been doing research on this. I'm going to have to get like a tap because these clips that are on here, they cannot be reused. So what we'll do is we'll take a tap or something with like an ice pick or something, and we'll just tap out that little center piece right there. And then the clip itself will pull off. But these clips are not reusable. It doesn't take much force though, whether you're using a butter knife or whatever, an actual trim piece remover. But it doesn't take much force, and you don't want to use much force, because if you use much force, then you'll bend up your piece of trim, and that is not what you want. I mean, we're buying new trim pieces anyway for this, but these are actually, you know, we could sand them down and paint them black if we ever wanted to do like a, anyway, I don't know. The VIN tag, painted over the dang VIN tag too. We'll have to get that all cleaned up. It's I bet it's factory. You can definitely see, yeah, that's factory. Yeah, they just taped that up. You can see where the yellow's showing underneath there. This sanding. I'm not afraid of sanding, but see, you've got to sand all that down, because anything you feel right here, you're going to see it in the paint. So if it's not smooth, anyway, that's what I think. We need it to warm up so we can degrease and hose all this crap off. Anyway. These trim pieces, well, I mean, they're not bad, but they're not great. Bad move, Case. Bad move, buddy. I gotta find a punch. I don't know that I have a punch. No way.